Welcome to my channel. Today we discussed about the higher order linear equation with constant coefficients of the form f of d into y is equal to x to the power of n. That means x square x power 3 like this. This is type 3, particular integral of type 3 form. For this, we have to remember only two formulas. I completed this total session. That means this form 1 minus x whole power minus 1 is equal to 1 plus x square plus x power 3 plus so on. 1 plus x whole power minus 1 is equal to 1 minus x plus x square minus x power 3 plus so on. These two formulas we have to remember for calculating the particular integral. Complementary function is same in the previous type. Okay, coming to the problem, solve d square plus d plus 1 into y is equal to x power 3. Here the problem already is in operator form. First write the auxiliary equation, then it is in the quadratic form. Comparing with the quadratic formula, write the formula for quadratic equation, that means roots. Then find the roots of the present problem in m is equal to minus 1 by 2 plus or minus I root 3 by 2. I root 3 by 2, it is in the form of a plus or minus ib, complex roots. Therefore, where a is equal to minus 1 by 2, b is equal to root 3 by 2, we get the complementary function. Coming to the particular integral, here you can see x power 3 by f of d. Therefore, it is x power 3 by d square plus d plus 1. You can take one common, otherwise it can be written as x power 3 by 1 plus d square plus d form. You can take the numerator 1 by a power a is equal to a to the power of minus 1. Similarly, it can be written as 1 plus d square plus d whole power minus 1 into x power 3. It is in the form of 1 plus x whole power minus 1. Therefore, what is the formula for 1 plus x whole power minus 1? 1 plus x whole to the power of minus 1 is equal to 1 minus x plus x square minus x power 3 plus so on. Here you can see first you can write 1 minus something plus something square minus something power 3 plus so on into x power 3. Here you can see 1 minus x plus x square minus x power 3 plus so on. So here instead of x we have, here you can see instead of x we have 1 plus d square plus d. This can be known as something. Therefore 1 minus something plus something square minus something power 3 whole square. What is something? D square plus d. Therefore you can fill it. D square plus d is something. D square plus d is something. D square plus d is something. You can expand it. What is the expansion of this one? That is equal to 1 minus d square minus d. Here you can see first term is a plus b whole square, that is d power 4 plus 2d power 3 2ab plus d square, a square plus 2ab plus b square. Similarly, a power 3 d power 6 minus 3 a square b. 3, here you can see a plus b whole square formula is a square plus 2ab plus 2ab plus b square. Similarly, a plus b whole power 3 is equal to a power 3 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b power 3. Therefore, a power 3 is d power 6 minus 3a square b 3d power 5, because a square is d power 4, d power 4 into d is d power 5, minus 3ab square 3d power 4. A b square means a is d square, b square means d square, therefore d power 4 minus b power d power 3 d power 3 plus so on into x power 3. Here you can observe what is here, x power 3 is there, therefore ignore d power 4, d power 5, d power 6 terms. Okay, therefore you can ignore higher order, that means d power 4 and higher orders. Therefore first term is 1 minus d square, and d square gets cancelled, d square is cancelled, 1 minus d, next d 2d power 3, 2d power 3 minus d power 3 is plus d power 3 into x power 3. Here you can write ignore d power 4 comma higher orders. If x square is there, you can ignore d power 3 and higher orders. X power 3 is there, you can ignore d power 4 and higher orders. X is there, you can ignore d square and higher orders. Higher powers you can ignore. One is constant. Here you can minus d here plus, next minus d square plus d square gets cancelled. Next 2d power 3 minus d power 3. Therefore that is equal to, you can operate with x power 3 minus d of x power 3 plus d power 3 of x power 3. Here you can see d of x power 3 is nothing but d by dx of x power 3, that is equal to 3x square. D square of x power 3 is nothing but derivative of, again d of means x power 3 means 3x square. Second derivative is d of x square x power 3, that is equal to d of x power 3 is 3x square. Next derivative is 6x. Therefore d power 3 of x power 3 is equal to, again you have to differentiate this one, that is 6, that is equal to x power 3 minus first derivative is 3x square, third derivative is 6, it is pi. Coming to the solution, y is equal to cf plus pi. What is cf? Cf is equal to, here you can see cf is equal to minus 1 by 2 comma root 3 by 2. Therefore e to the power of minus x by 2 into c1 cos root 3 by 2x plus c2 sin root 3 by 2x plus x power 3 minus 3x square plus 6 is the solution for this x power 3 problem. Next come to the second problem. Here you can see d power 3 plus 2d square plus d into y is equal to x power 3 is the problem. It is in operator form. Write the auxiliary equation, then write the roots of this equation, 0 comma minus 1 comma minus 1. It is similar process, m1 comma mm, where m1 equal to 0, mm is minus 1. 1 is unequal, the two roots are equal, therefore c1 e power 0x plus c2 plus c3x into e power minus x is the complementary function. Coming to the particular integral, here you can see x power 3 by d power 3 plus 2d square plus d is there. You can take for converting into the 1 plus x or 1 minus x form, you can take 1 by d common. After taking, it can be written as d power 3 plus 2d square by d. You can take least term as common. If constant is there, you can take constant common. D is the least term, therefore you can take d is the common. Therefore 1 by d into x power 3 by 1 plus, it is d square plus 2d. It is d square plus 2d. Take it into the numerator, 1 by d into 1 plus d square plus 2d whole power minus 1 into x power 3. Again it is in the form of 1 plus x whole to the power of minus 1 equal to 1 minus x plus x square minus x power 3 plus so on. 1 by d into 1 minus something plus something square minus something power 3 plus so on into x power 3. If x power 3 is there, you can write at least x d power 3 term. Okay, 1 by d into 1 minus what is something, d square plus 2d, d square plus 2d, d square plus 2d. Here you can see, you can write the 1 minus d square minus 2d. Here a square term is d power 4 plus 2ab is 4d power 4 because 4d power 3, 2ab 2 into d square into 2d, that is 4d power 3 plus 4d square b square term minus d power 3 a cubed means minus d power 6, a cubed means d power 6, d square whole power 3, d square whole power 3 is d power 6 minus 3 into 2 is 6, 3ab means 3a square d square into d is d power 5, next 3a square b, 3ab square means minus 6, d square into d square is d power 4, next b cubed minus 2 power 3 is 8, d power 3 plus so on into x power 3. Here you can see 1 by d is there, therefore first you can write the terms of 1 by d into, you can simplify 1 minus, here you can see next term is minus 2d, next term is d square term, here you can see d square is there plus 4d square is there, you can simplify this d square and minus d square plus 3d square plus 3d square, next d power 3 terms, here you can see d power 3, 4d power 3 is there minus 8d power 3 is there, therefore minus 4d power 3, next term d power 4 term, d power 3 is over, d power 4 is d power 4, next term is minus 6d power 4, that is minus 5d power 4. You can write minus 5d power 4 into x power 3, because here you can see x power 3 is there, therefore you can write up to d power 4 by d is d power 3 is over. Here ignore next coming to the 1 by d means 1 by d minus 2d by d plus 3d square by d minus 4d power 3 by d minus 5d power 4 by d into x power 3, that is equal to 1 by d minus 2 plus 3d minus 4d square minus 5d power 3 into x power 3. Here x power 3 is there, you can write up to d power 3, ignore d power 4 and higher orders. Therefore, if x power 3 is there, you can write up to d power 3. X power 4 is there, you can write up to d power 4 after simplification. Therefore, you can operate with x power 3. 1 by d into x power 3 minus 2x power 3 plus 3 into d of x power 3 minus 4 into d of d square of x power 3 minus 5 into d power 3 of x power 3. Here you can see d of x power 3 is equal to 3x square, d square of x power 3 is equal to 3x square derivative is 6x, d power 3 of x power 3 is equal to 6. Next derivative is 0, that's why you can ignore d power 4 and higher orders. 1 by d of x power 3 is equal to integration of x power 3 into dx, that is equal to x power 4 by 4. The first term is x power 4 by 4 minus 2x power 3 plus 3 into 3x square minus 4 into 6x minus 5 into 6, that is equal to x power 4 by 4 minus 2x power 3 plus 9x square minus 24x minus 30. Here you can see this is the pi value. Solution is y is equal to CF plus pi. Coming to the solution, y is equal to, what is CF? 1 is 0 and minus 1 comma minus 1. Therefore, C1 plus C2 plus C3x into e power minus x. PAE is x power 4 by 4 minus 2x power 3 plus 9x square minus 24x minus 30 is the solution. This is about the x power 3 and d common problem. Next problem is, here you can see, solve d square y by dx square plus dy by dx is equal to x square plus 2x plus 4. Here it is not in operator form. First write the operator form. D square plus d into y is equal to x square plus 2x plus 4. You can write the auxiliary equation m square plus m equal to 0, m equal to 0 or m equal to minus 1. The roots are real and unequal. Write the complementary function. Next, coming to the PI1, here you can see PI1 is equal to x square by, what is f of d? D square plus d, d square plus d. You can take d common, x square by d into 1 plus d or d plus 1. That is equal to 1 by d into, it can be written as 1 plus d whole to the power of minus 1 into x square, because 1 by a is equal to a power minus 1. Again here you can apply 1 plus x whole power minus 1 equal to 1 minus x plus x square minus x power 3 plus so on. Therefore 1 by d into, it is in the form of 1 plus x. Therefore 1 minus something plus something square minus something power 3, enough. Okay, you can write into x square, because x square is there. You can write up to d power 3 by d is d square. That is enough. Therefore what is something here? D. Therefore 1 by d into 1 minus d plus d square minus d power 3 into x square. Ignore d power 3 and higher orders. What is d power 3? D power 3 by d is d square. That is enough. Therefore 1 by d minus d by d plus d square by d minus d power 3 by d into x square. What we get? 1 by d minus 1 plus d minus d square into x square. You can write 1 by d of x square minus x square plus d of x square minus d square of x square. Here you can see d of x square means 2x, derivative is 2x. D square of x square means 2, second derivative. Therefore 1 by d means integration. 1 by d of x square is equal to integration of x square into dx, that is equal to x power 3 by 3. The first term is x power 3 by 3 minus x square plus 2x minus 2 is pi1. Similarly, you can see the pi2 value, 2x by pi2 is equal to 2x by d square plus d. Here also you can take 2 by d common, that is x by 1 plus d. You can take it numerator 2 by d into 1 plus d whole power minus 1 into x. It is also in the form of 1 plus x whole power minus 1. 2 by d into 1 minus something plus something square is enough. That is equal to, here you can see what is something, d and d. Therefore 2 by d into 1 minus d plus d square into x. Ignore d power 3, d power 2 and higher orders, d power 2 and higher orders. Here you can see 2 common, 1 by d minus d by d plus d square by d. After simplification you can ignore d square. Therefore 2 into 1 by d minus 1 plus d, it is enough, into x. if what is the operation? 2 into 1 by d of x minus x plus d of x. Here you can see 2 into, the integration is x square by 2 minus x derivative is 1. Therefore 2 cancel, x square minus 2x plus 2 is PI2. Next, coming to the PI3, 4 by f of d. What is 4 by f of d here? 4 by f of d is PI3 is equal to 4 into e power 0x by d square plus d. If put d is equal to 0, then it becomes 4 into e power 0x by 0 plus 0. That means it is 0, is not defined. If f of 0 is equal to 0, then PI3 is equal to, what is the formula? X into e to the power of 0x by f dash of 0. What is f of d? D square plus d. What is f dash of d? F dash of d is equal to 2d plus 1. Therefore, PI3 is equal to 4 into x into e power 0x by f dash of 0. That is equal to 4x into 1 by 0 plus 1, that is equal to 4x. Therefore, solution y is equal to CF plus PI. Y is equal to, what is CF here? The roots are 0 comma minus 1. Therefore, C1 plus C2 into e power minus x is CF. PI1 is x power 3 minus x square, x power 3 minus x square, x power 3 by 3 minus x square plus 2x minus 2 plus 2x minus 2. PI2 is x square minus 2x plus 2. PI3 is plus 4x. On simplification, plus 2x minus 2 plus 2 cancel. Here x square cancel. C1 plus C2 into e power x plus x power 3 by 3 plus 4x is the final answer for this problem. Next problem is d power 3 minus 3d square minus 10d plus 24 into y is equal to x plus 3. Here it is in operator form. Then write the auxiliary equation. Write the roots 2 comma 4 comma minus 3. The roots are real and unequal. The complementary function is as usual. Next, PI1 is equal to, what is PI1? X by d power 3 minus 3d square minus 10d plus 24. Here you can see, what is the least term? 10d, 24, constant is the least term. Therefore, 1 by 24 into x by 1 plus the remaining terms are d power 3 minus 3d square minus 10d by 24 after taking 24 common into x. Okay, therefore 1 by 24 into, it can be written as 1 plus d power 3 minus 3d square minus 10d by 24. It is something whole power minus 1 into x, because the denominator value becomes numerator, you get minus 1. It is in the form of 1 plus x whole power minus 1 into x. Here you can see, what is the formula for this? That is equal to 1 by 24 into 1 minus something plus something square minus dash into x. If x is there, you can write up to something only. Therefore, what is something here? D power 3 minus 3d square minus 10d by 24. D power 3 minus 3d square minus 10d by 24. Here d power 3 minus 3d square minus 10d by 24. If x is there, you can write up to d only. Therefore, 1 by 24 into 1 minus d power 3 ignorable term, d square ignorable term. Therefore, minus 10d by 24 plus minus plus 10d by 24. Here all the terms are more than d square. Therefore into x, ignore d square and higher orders. If x is there, ignore d square and higher orders. X square is there, you can ignore d power 3 and higher orders. X power 3 is there, you can ignore d power 4 and higher orders. Therefore 1 by 24 into x plus 10 into d of x by 24. Therefore 1 by 24 into x plus 10 into derivative of x means differentiation of x, that is 1 by 24, that is equal to 1 by 24 into 24x plus, here you can see, plus 10 by 24, that is PI1. Next coming to the PI2 is equal to 3 by, what is f of d? 3 by f of d means d power 3 minus 3d square minus 10d plus 24. Here it can be written as 0x. Therefore put d is equal to 0 in f of d, that is denominator. Therefore 3 into 1 by 0 minus 0 plus 24 is equal to 3 by 24. 3 ones are 3 eights are 1 by 8 is PI2. Therefore combination of PI1 and PI2 is PI. Next solution is y is equal to solution, y is equal to CF plus PI. What is CF? Y is equal to C1 e to the power of 2x, the roots are 2, 4, minus 3, plus C2 e to the power of 4x plus C3 e to the power of minus 3x plus PI1 is 1 by 24, that means 1 by 24 into 24x plus 10 by 24. PI2 is plus 1 by 8 is PI2. This is the complete solution of the problem. Next come to the problem number 5. d square into d square plus 4 into y is equal to 96x square plus sin 2x minus k. As usual, you can write the auxiliary equation, then find the roots. The roots are equal and complex. Therefore the solution is c1 plus c2x into e power 0x e to the power of 0x into c3 cos 2x plus or minus c4 sin 2x e power 0 is 1. Okay, next PI1 is, here you can see PI1 is equal to 96x square by d square into d square plus 4. Here you can see, you can take 4 common, that means 1 by 196 by 4d square into x square by 1 plus d square by 4. It can be written as 96 by 4d square into 1 plus d square by 4 into x square whole power minus 1. It is in the form of 1 plus x whole power minus 1. Therefore it can be written as 96 by 4d square into 1 minus something plus something square minus something power 3 plus something power 4 minus dash into x square. Here you can see what is something d square by 4. You can write d square by 4 in something value. d square by 4 d square by 4 d square by 4 d square by 4. You can write 96 by 4 d square into 1 minus d square by 4 plus d square whole square is d power 4 by 4. Here you can see x square is there, therefore d square by d square is d square, d power 4 by d square. Therefore ignore next higher orders. Therefore ignore d power 3 and higher orders. If you can write d power 6 by d square is d power 4, that is ignorable term. Therefore 4 ones are 4 twos are 4 4s are 24s are. Therefore 24 into 1 by d square minus d square by 4d square plus d power 4 by 4 d square into here d square by 4, d square whole square is 16, that is 16 d square into x square. Therefore 24 into operate with x square, 1 by d square of x square minus d square cancel, 1 by 4 into x square, d square cancel, that is plus 1 by 16 into d square of x square. d square of x square is 2, that is 2 second derivative. 1 by d square of x square is equal to x to the power of first integration is x power 3 by 3, second integration is x power 4 by 12, that means 4 into 3. Therefore 24 into x to the power of 4 by 12 is the second integration, and you can integrate 2 times, minus x power 2 by 2, you can differentiate 2 times, you get 2 by 16. Therefore it is 24 x power 4 by 12 minus 24 x square by 2 plus 24 into 2 by 16, that means 12 ones are 12 twos are 2 ones are 2 12s are 4s are 6 are 2 twos are 2 twos are. Okay, next that is equal to 2x power 4 minus 12x square plus 12 is PI1. Next PI2 is equal to, what is PI2? Sin 2x by d square into d square 4 plus 4, sin 2x by d square into d square plus 4. Here you can see, if we can write what is the coefficient of x, 2, a square is equal to 4, put d square is equal to minus 4, that is minus a square. Here you can substitute d square is equal to minus 4, it becomes 0. Therefore you can substitute non-zero term only. Therefore sin 2x by, what is non-zero term? Minus 4 into d square plus 4. You can substitute minus 4 here, you get the 0. If minus 4, f of minus 4 equal to 0, then what is the rule? Sin ax by d square plus a square is there, minus x by 2a into cos ax is the rule, where a is 2. Therefore minus 1 by 4 is constant, minus x by 2 into cos 2ax is the formula. Therefore minus into minus plus, 4 into 4 16, cos 2x is PI2. Coming to the PI3, constant is there. Therefore here you can see PI3 is equal to k into e to the power of 0x by d square into d square plus 4. Here also put d is equal to 0. 0 into something you get 0. Therefore it can be written as k into e power 0x by d square, you can keep it as same, non-zero term, it is 0 term, it is non-zero term, 0 plus 4, that is equal to 1 by 4 into k is constant, k by 4 into integration of dx, double integration. That means 1 by d square means double integration, that is equal to k by 4 into x square by 2. First integration is x, next integration x square, kx square by 8 is the PI3 term. Therefore solution y is equal to CF plus PI. Therefore y is equal to, what is C of C1 plus C2x into C1 plus C2x plus C3 cos 2x plus or minus C4 sin 2x, PI1 2 into x power 4 minus 12 into x square plus 12. PI2 is plus x by 16 into cos 2x. PI3 is k into x square by 8 is PI3. This is the complete solution of the problem. Next problem is d square minus 4d plus 4 into y is equal to e power 2x plus x square plus sin 3x. Here also you can write the auxiliary equation and then write the direct complementary function after finding the roots that you know. Next, coming to the PI1, I mainly concentrated in PI. E power x by e power 2x by d square minus 4d plus 4. Here you can see put d is equal to 2, put d is equal to 2 e power rule. E power 2x by d square means 4 minus 8 plus 4, that is equal to 0, is not defined. Therefore, if f of 2 is equal to 0, then PI is equal to PI1 equal to x into e power ax by f dash of a. What is f of d here? D square minus 4d plus 4. F dash of d is equal to 2d minus 4. Here also f dash of 2 is also 0. Therefore, 2 into 2 minus 4, that is equal to 0. If f dash of 2 is also 0, then what is the rule? Second derivative is also 0. Then x square into e to the power of ax by f double dash of a. Here f double dash of d is equal to what? Next derivative is 2. Therefore, PI1 is equal to x square into e power 2x by f double dash of 2, that is equal to x square into e to the power of 2x by 2 is the PI1 value. Coming to the PI2, for PI2 you can write it as PI2 is equal to x square by d square minus 4d plus 4. Here what is the least term? 4 is the least term, therefore you can take 1 by 4 common. It is in the form of x by 1 plus d square minus 4d by 4 is the something value. It can take it as numerator. By taking it numerator, 1 by 4 into 1 plus d square minus 4d by 4 whole power minus 1 into x square. It is in the form of 1 plus x whole power minus 1 equal to 1 minus x plus x square plus so on minus so on. Therefore, 1 by 4 into 1 minus something plus something square minus dash into x square. If x square is there, you can write up to d square only. Therefore, d square minus 4d by 4, d square minus 4d by 4, that is equal to 1 by 4 into, first term is 1, that is constant, second term is d square by 4 plus 4d by 4 gets cancelled. Next here you can see a square means d square whole square d power 4 ignorable term. 2ab, d square into d is d power 3 ignorable term. Next b square means 16 d square by 16 into x square. Ignore d power 3 and higher orders. After ignoring the terms, it can be written as 1 by 4 into 1 minus d square by 4 plus d square into x square. Therefore, 1 by 4 into d minus d power 3 by 4 plus d square is plus 1 plus d plus 3d square by 4 is the simplified term. Operate with x square. 1 by 4 into x square plus d of x square plus 3 into d square of x square by 4. What is the meaning of d of x square? 1 by 4 into x square plus d of means derivative of x square is 2x plus 3 into 2 by 4. 2 ones are 2 twos are. 1 by 4 into x square plus 2x plus 3 by 2 is PI2. Here you can see it is PI2. Next, coming to the PI3, sin 3x by f of d. PI3 is equal to sin 3x by f of d value is d power 2 minus 4d, d power 2 minus 4d plus 4. Here you can see what is a value 3, what is a square 9. Put d square is equal to minus 9 in f of d. That is the rule for sin and cos. Therefore, sin 3x by, for d square only you have to write minus 9. minus 4d plus 4, that is equal to sin 3x by minus 4d minus 5. You can take minus common, sin 3x by 4d plus 5. Operate with 4d minus 5. That is the by operating 4d minus 5 you get the d square in denominator. Minus of 4d minus 5 into sin 3x by 4d minus 5 into 4d plus 5. Operate with 4d minus 5 for both numerator and denominator. That is equal to minus of 4d minus 5 into sin 3x by 16d square minus 25. What is d square value? Put d square is equal to minus 9, this rule. Therefore, minus 4 into d of sin 2x minus into minus plus 5 sin 3x by 16 into minus 9 minus 25. 16 into minus 9 is 16 into 9 is 54, 9 ones are 9, 14, 144. Therefore, that is equal to minus 4 into 2 cos 2x is the derivative of sin 2x plus 5 sin 3x is the second term minus 144 minus 25. That is equal to minus 8 cos 2x plus 5 sin 3x 3 means 12, that is 12. Okay, that is 12. Next, by minus 9 6 169. You can take minus common, 12 cos 3x minus 5 sin 3x by 169 is PI3. Therefore, solution y is equal to CF plus PI. Therefore, y is equal to, what is CF? CF here is 2 comma 2. Therefore, C1 plus C2x into e to the power of 2x is CF. PI1 is x square into e power 2x by 2 plus x square into e power 2x by 2. PI2 is 1 by 4 into x square plus 2x plus 3 by 2. PI3 is 12 cos 3x minus 5 sin 3x by 169 is complete solution of the problem. Okay, coming to the next problem, you can see solve d square minus 1 into y is equal to 2 into e power x plus 3x. First straight away you can write the auxiliary equation. The roots are complex, then complex form is c1 cos x plus or minus c2 sin x. PA is equal to 2 into e power x by f of d plus 3x by f of d, PA1 and PA2. Here PA1 equal to e power 2 into e power x by d square minus 1. Put d is equal to 1, you get 0. It is 0 case. If f of 1 equal to 0, you go for the derivative x into e power x by f dash of d. Derivative is d square minus 1 derivative is 2d. Therefore, 2 into x into e power x by f dash of 1. Therefore, 2x into e power x by 2 is the PI1, 2 to cancel. PI2 is equal to 3x by d square minus 1. Take 1 common. Here by taking minus 1 common, x by 1 minus d square, it is in the form of minus 3 into 1 minus d square whole square, 1 minus 1 plus something square so on into x. You can ignore all the terms of d square and higher order. Therefore, minus 3 into, you can take only constant, because here x is there. You can ignore d square, d power 2 and higher order. Therefore, only constant you have to consider. Minus 3 into 1 into x. Therefore, minus 3x is PI2. Solution is y equal to CF plus PA. C1 cos x plus C2 sin x plus PI1 is x into e power x minus 3x is the PI2. That is the problem. Okay, bye.